Yo, what's up? Welcome back. Just a quick update on the shop. I'm gonna turn the camera around quick. Bam. Alright, we got all the siding on and everything. And let me show you the part that I'm really excited about is this garage door. Yep. We got the garage door there. It's looking good. It's looking good. It's looking good. Siding's all on. What's left is like primer, paint on the exterior outside, the rain gutters. And let's open the garage up real quick. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm happy. It's finally come together. It should have been done a long time ago, but it's looking good. They still need to come out. Something happened with the contractor. He had got rid of all his workers. Something about some drama, someone stealing from his dad's house, so he couldn't figure out who did it. So he just kind of got rid of everybody until someone could man up and confess to it all, you know. But enough of that. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update of why I haven't been making anything. Can't do no work, can't work on my projects, but we're gonna finish up this wheel for Mac. He's been patiently waiting, gave me a lot of time. I've been busy working every single day, my full-time job. So let's turn the camera around and check it out. We still gotta do these AMG wheels. Last time I didn't show you the crack, but here's the crack right here. I already started cutting into it. So what we are gonna do, we're gonna find the area where the crack stops, and we're gonna jump a 1/4 inch in front of it, and we're gonna drill a hole right through there. When you drill a hole there, it stops the crack from spreading, you know. And we're gonna cut all the way through the crack and open it up maybe about a 1/8 of an inch. Then fill it up with we're gonna aluminum weld everything. And Mac's gonna take care of it himself. He does all the powder coating. He's gonna grind it down and refinish it himself. So let's get to that right now. Alright, we got that little fracture hairline crack opened up. It didn't seem like it went in this deep. It looked like it only ended right here. But that hairline crack, you can't even see it because it's so tiny in there. So that's how big it is. It's about almost like an 1.5 inches. 1.75 inches actually. So we are going to open this up and bevel it. Since it's so thick, we're going to bevel it to give us a better penetration. And we will get that right now. So, just got done beveling it. So technically, I should probably open up this this little gap right here, about a 1/4 inch wider. So I will do that, but I'm not gonna show it on video. I'm gonna open it all the way back straight through the back, right there, and that way we should have full, better penetration when we AC weld this. Alright, got all my torch set up for my TIG. I did a number 6. Actually, no, I believe it's a number 7 cup. Yeah, number 7 for AC. And I had this torch running for a while right here just to preheat this thick ass metal. Preheating helps out big time, so it's been preheating for about 2 minutes. So I think it should be good to go. So let's go with that right now. Start burning some metal. Alright, let's turn this camera around real quick. Yeah, I think we got good penetration through here. It looks like crap, but these aluminum, they're all kinds of mixed aluminum when they make these wheels, I believe. So a lot of impurities come in. You'll see a little black peppering, little black dots. That's contamination, but it's almost always with the aluminum wheels or any casting or anything. But it'll hold. This ain't for aesthetics. Just doing it to hold and fix a crack, and he is gonna grind it down himself. Yeah, he's gonna grind it down himself, and he's gonna pick it up today, and I gotta get ready for work. So thanks for staying tuned for this little quick video, the update of the garage, and just to finish up the wheel. You know, it's been actually been 2 weeks since the last time we made a video. So thank you for watching and staying tuned. The videos will get better, I promise, once I start these big projects. The big project that I'm really excited about is just the EF9 that I've got. I got a SIR clone. You'll see that, and it's a well-known car in Washington. But I'm gonna restore that. We're gonna resurrect that bad boy, and that's gonna be worth it. So just thank you for staying tuned and bearing with me. We'll catch you later. All right, take care. Oh yeah, and I almost forgot. I want to give a shout out to Mac. That's the owner of that yellow wide body custom NSX. So these wheels is for him. Good customer, man. I seem to get more support from the community than, but you know, this guy, amazing. You know, I'm over here, I'm late 2 weeks late on his wheels, but he understands, and I even give him a huge discount just because he's such a good guy, and he's still he's a good person. He's just trying to give me more than what I even asked for as a tip. That's good people. You gotta support your local guys, man. And that's why I support him 100% with his powder coating. Everything that I'm getting done is going through him on my EF Resurrection. So shout out to him. Appreciate you. Good looking out. All right, take it easy. Have a good Sunday.